Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Bank of America security settings and alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Bank of America account using your preferred web browser. Enter your online ID and password, then click the sign in button. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you will find the Profile and Preferences option. Click on Profile and Preferences to access your account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Security Center. Now you will see various options related to your account security. Look for the section labeled Security Settings. Here, you can adjust your password, security questions, and enable two-factor authentication. To update your password, click on the Change Password link. Enter your current password, then type your new password twice to confirm it. Once finished, click Save Changes. Next, return to the Security Center and click on Security Questions. Choose Questions and provide answers. Moving on to two-factor authentication, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable this feature for added security. You may need to provide a phone number where you can receive verification codes. Once you have entered your phone number, click Send Code to verify it. Check your phone for the code, enter it in the provided field, and click Verify. Now, let's set up your alerts. Return to the Profile and Preferences menu and select Alerts. You will see various types of. Select the alerts that suit your needs and click on them to customize your preferences. You can choose how you want to receive these alerts, such as via email or text message. Once you have made your selections, click Save Changes again to finalize everything. Finally, verify that your new security settings are active by checking the confirmation messages displayed. Log out of your account to ensure your security takes effect. With these updates completed, your Bank of America account is now better protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.